Good morning, get ready with me to go to my 10 a.m. training. So I'm just gonna braid my hair. And I finally learned how to braid my hair without looking. Now I have to go pick my outfit. So I'm not too sure whether I want to pick between leggings or shorts. Okay, final decision. I'm doing Aloe leggings. And then I'll do this Aloe sports bra, I guess any shirt will work for this. I'll just go with UCLA. For breakfast, I'm gonna have a bagel. For a snack, probably have a kiwi. And I have a question for literally anyone. Do you eat kiwis with the skin on or the skin off? I get hated on sometimes because I'll eat it with the skin because the skin doesn't taste like anything. And the skin is good for you anyways, so don't hate on kiwis. Okay, and then I just filled up my water bottle. And we're all ready.